there, it's Lisa Hollinger. And I have found something over the, 15 years that I have been helping taxpayers resolve their problems with the IRS. I have found that probably 75% of the time, if a taxpayer has a really good consultation or guidance from a professional, they can usually resolve their problems on their own. And a lot of times, they'll throw money at it because that's all they know, or they're afraid, or maybe the representative or professional says, let me handle it. I so believe that taxpayers, if they have the right information, they can resolve their own problems, and they can keep that money for themselves or use that money to pay the IRS. They can be better off if they're willing to take the time to do some light work, and maybe a consultation is all you need. I would say 75% of the people, outside of maybe preparing a return, and even then, if they know the right tools, they can prepare the returns and they can figure out what their criteria is. In fact, I have narrowed it down to 3 things that a taxpayer must know in order to resolve any problem they have with the IRS. That's it. And if they know these things and they can figure them out in a way that is fairly accurate, then they can resolve their problems and save themselves a lot of misery and frustration with the IRS and with working with a professional. But you've got to be willing to do some work. All of the resources are out there. Now, when I say the resources are out there, they are out there, but in a way that you have to try to sift and sort. You don't know what you need. You don't know where to go. You don't know the best course of action. I have put together a program to help you figure this out. And then once you know your 3 items, the 3 things, the 3 secrets that you need to resolve your tax problem, then you can figure out the direction that you need to go. In the meantime, if you would prefer, contact a professional, schedule an hour or 2, and get the information that you need to resolve your problem. Don't leave it to me or the next representative, or definitely not the IRS. But if you have enough money to throw at it, that's great. I'm not taking a whole lot of new cases. One, I just want time. And a lot of representatives are really expensive. I'm not saying that they aren't worth it or that their fees aren't justified. I'm not saying that. But for most taxpayers, and I would say that's probably 50 to 75% of the people that owe the IRS, can't afford a professional, they can't afford to pay the IRS, but they still have a problem. This program is for you. If you have any questions, let us know. Or if you'd like to sign up for our wait list, as we're getting ready to make this live so we can help taxpayers get on with their life and get the IRS out from underneath them once and for all. Take care and bye for now.